Hello everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. Today, I'll guide you through setting up NetMod Syna VPN with SSH Slow DNS settings. NetMod is a free, advanced VPN client that offers various VPN protocols, including SSH, V2Ray, SOCKS, and more. With NetMod, you can customize network traffic, bypass internet censorship, and stay anonymous online. For more detailed tutorials about all types of VPNs, be sure to check out my blog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Step 1. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar at the top, type NetMod Syna VPN and press Enter. From the search results, find NetMod Syna VPN and click on it. Tap the Install button to download and install the app on your device. Alternatively, you can visit the official NetMod Syna VPN website and download the app directly from there. Step 2. Once the installation is complete, locate the NetMod Syna VPN app on your device and tap on the app icon to launch it. You will now be on the home screen of the app. Step 3. Before you can configure the VPN, you need an SSH DNSTT server. Open any web browser on your device and type darksh in the address bar, then press Enter to visit the dark SSH website. Step 4. On the dark SSH homepage, look for a 3-line menu icon on the left side of the screen and click on it. A sidebar menu will appear. From the main menu, click on SSH OVPN. Step 5. After clicking on SSH OVPN, a submenu will appear. In this submenu, you will see a list of different SSH servers. Look for SSH Slow DNS and click on it to start creating your server. Step 6. On the next page, you will see a list of different server locations. Scroll through the list and choose a location that suits you. Once you have selected a location, click on the Select Server button. On the following page, you will see a list of available servers in the chosen location. Click on Create next to the server you want to use. Step 7. On the next page, you need to fill in some details to create your server. Enter a username and password of your choice. Complete the reCAPTCHA to verify that you are not a robot. Click on the Create Now button to create the server. Wait a few seconds for the server to be created. Once the server is created, copy the server details, IP address, port, username, and password, as you will need them for the VPN setup. Step 8. Return to the NetMod Syna VPN app. On the home screen of the app, look for a plus icon at the top and click on it. A list of configuration options will appear. Select SSH SLOWDNS from the list. Step 9. You will now be on the configuration page for SSH SLOWDNS. Enter the server details you copied earlier, the server IP, port, username, and password. Fill in any other required fields. Once you have entered all the details, click on the checkmark button to save the configuration. Step 10. You will now see the configuration you just created on the home screen of NetMod Syna VPN. Tap on the configuration to select it, and then click on the play button to start the VPN connection. Wait a few seconds for the connection to be established. Conclusion. Congratulations! You have successfully set up NetMod Syna VPN with SSH Slow DNS. Enjoy a secure and unrestricted internet connection. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.